kum ka jingai men semi ki khun samlai ki pas bha ka eksamin SSLC makindang la banle bha bat minot khambha ka jing pule ba kham shalor ka Hindu Welfare Society Nongpo River District hinen ka si ka ar photorik no pra ka Pynkupburom ki ar phun remote ki samla ki buan shakmat ka examen SSLC ka ba menta usnam ha ka jingalang ka bla long ha indur bar hol Nongpo hakate ka jingle burom ki samla pule la wan bar sakhelang do MLA ka Nongpo ba meral bons em ha ka jingadon lang unteshwar sing president ka Hindu Welfare Society Nongpo am sing secretary Hindu Welfare Society Nongpo lamber ki samla puli ki bla shapun Pynkupburom bat ki wei ka ba kham sung tunat shu akan ka si ka long ban ka Hindu Welfare Society Nongpo kalau aru dau kek kum kada ka jingra khele ka lupai ka Christmas
rewarding high achiever with recognition to boost moral and cognitive functions, simultaneously inspiring other students who are present here to strive for similar success, fostering a culture of dedication towards their duty. Key objective of the program is to honor students for outstanding performance in SSLC examination in the Meghalaya board, that is we call as MBOS. Second is motivate all students for their hard work and perseverance. Third is promote a competitive and positive environment that encourage continuous learning. Fourth key objective is to provide emotional upliftment and validation for their efforts. Fifth keynote is highlight virtues like dedication and responsibility linking to the future success. It also helps us to grow with students' growth. For example, in the year 2021, we recognize only 4 students. We got 4 students who score a good percentage in the MBOS board exam. Then in the year 2022, we recognize 6 students. These are the numbers that I am giving to everyone to note this. In the year 2023, we recognize 8 students. In the year 2024, we recognize 11 students. That is last year. And this year, in the year 2025, we are recognizing 26 students. So this is how we are growing and our society is growing too. Our main intention is to ignite your mind so that you can achieve your goal in this competitive world. So this is all about why we celebrate and why we assemble in this room for these award functions.
It reminds each and every one of us of the hard work of all the students who are here. Swami Vivekananda said, "Arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal." It is very important as students that we prepare, we position ourselves to be a better person, a better human being in days to come. In the world of change, science student, you know about evolution. In the year 1970, 1980, when we talk about performance of the student, in Meghalaya, a student who secure 50%, they will get seat for MBBS during those years, where there is less competition. Nowadays, if you secure 90, 95 or so, sometime you don't get a seat for MBBS quota through the state government sponsored quota.
Neda pidang dunaro, shimshu sakane.
Ni, kabishibun mo.
Hatang siya dyan bagatu kebriu klim, teho. Ngate, batpangan niya tarkot sisendan.
cute.
Hai kijan men step porbomi na yeng uta da kasen ayu bat ndalawan pai kasma da kasen ayu sabishar baha
nó xiên ngala ong nhập hào nium đeo qua trong phà yai
Lili, lên nhỏ, có sai lại không mày?
bát ya mẹ nó xiên ngala ong jai na ka khut jang mem so tho